That black yo magic, 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 magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo. Look at that black yo, hitting me with all of that melanin, hocus baby, hitting me with all of that melanin, hocus.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Djanesha for those who may or may not know, and I'm back with another video. And in this video I'm going to be doing my space buns tutorial or whatever. And this was my first time doing these, and they came out really cute, as you can tell by the thumbnail. And what I'm going to start off doing is finger detangling. I'm going to spritz my hair with some water to get that moisture back because my hair was really dry. And I'm also going to put some leave-in conditioner. I used the Jackie's brand. And then I'm also just going to detangle. Make sure your hair is detangled thoroughly before you start manipulating it, so you won't break off no hair or whatever. I'm going to be using my mango shea butter mix to seal in all the moisture. And yes, y'all, I tried to record a video for y'all, but I forgot to press record at the moment. But yeah, next time I make another batch, I will make it. This stuff is so moisturizing for your hair, you guys. And I just added a whole bunch of oils that's beneficial to your hair. I love it. I'm going to be making some more of it and hopefully my hair grows some more. But yeah, so what you want to do is split your hair down the middle. Make sure your part is nice. I didn't make sure it was even in the back. I just made sure it was even in the front. And you're going to put your hair into ponytails. Pigtails, make sure they even. I use some edge control, some edge style factor booster gel for my edges, and I also use eco styler gel. And you're just going to make sure your hair is all nice and sleek, and you're going to let that set, and then I'll be back to talk to you guys when the next part come on.
So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight, tonight? Who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight?
Alright, so 10 minutes later, you see them edges are laid. Your hair is sleek and nice. So what I'm going to do is take leftover Marley hair. It's two different brands. It's one that's like coarser and then one that's just wavy. And that brand is Zuri. I know for a fact. I forgot the other brand name, but I will leave it down in the description below. So it's just leftover hair, and I mixed them together because my hair is not super coarse anymore. It has a little, wave to it, a little wave curl pattern. And then you just put them over your rubber band and attach it to your hair like you would do like a bun. Alright, so now that your hair is attached, you're going to go ahead and make your ball to your liking. When I tell you this took me a little over 15 minutes to get my buns, looking how I wanted to look before. Make sure they secure too, because if you hit your head on like the car when you try to get in, the bun will come out. It happened to me. So use thousands and thousands of bobby pins if you have them.
So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight, tonight? Who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight?
Alright, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a very easy hairstyle, but I just wanted to give y'all my take on it. But yeah, so if you liked it, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, leave me a comment, turn on your post notifications so you know every time I upload. And if you made it to this part in the video, you already know I fucks with you. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace. Bye.